This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a convenient location on the border of the Gold Coast and River North neighborhoods, steps from great dining, nightlife, and shopping, for a tour of one of the apartments at Chestnut Place. I'm in apartment 28F, a 2-bedroom, bath and a half, looking out to the west over the tranquil Washington Square Park, a short block away, at what will be a great sunset view. In the living dining area, it's L-shaped, which makes for a very appealing layout, a separate area for a dining room table. It's a galley-style kitchen with updated cabinets and appliances, granite counters, undermount stainless steel sink, 4-burner electric range, a dishwasher, and good cabinet and counter space overall. It's a generously sized living dining area, plenty of space to lay out a variety of furniture. Heading back toward the bedrooms, second bedroom has closet organizers. There's a hall closet. That's a walk-in. Additional space for storage. Plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Looking at the entryway, where you have space for a hall console table or even a home office desk. Half bath, has medicine cabinet, espresso stained vanity, white quartz look counters, track lining up above. Heading toward the master bedroom. We've got similar finishes in the master bath. And there's a soaking tub. This bedroom has a walk-in closet, again with organizers, and it's spacious enough to accommodate just about any size bedding. Chestnut Place has a suite of very attractively updated amenities. Terrific location, literally steps from everything. Apartments with very functional layouts. Definitely want to have it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.